Okay, I think I got all these wires in place. See how good we are.
What's up?
I said, I think we got all these wires in place.
All right.
See how good we are. Just go turn the key at least.
Yeah.
See if it starts right up. I got it on video. I broke my stand, so I can't do that.
Oh, shit.
Just flip the key if you don't mind.
No,
You shouldn't even have to give it the gas.
Here we go.
Dragon Fire wires, 10mm, heavy duty, no joke. Absolutely. Still trying to work out that little bit of noise. Fresh oil, fresh start. Listen to this. Listen to this. Listen to this run, everybody. 1972 Dodge Charger, Omaha orange. The original color was like a gold, a green gold. But back in the day, everybody was painting them this color. But here's what she sounds like. You can see where the oil dripped on the motor a little. Told me nothing wrong with that. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like what you see. Thanks. God bless.